Arms. Today with us, we have a very special guest, Akashit Jain, who is the co-founder of Sanmati Enterprises and currently a software development engineer at Eagleview and at BITS Pilani 2020 graduate. So thank you for joining, Akashit.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Daksh. Like, it's a warm invitation. Thank you.
Thank you. So proceeding with the webinar. Thank you for sponsoring both the events, that is Webify and Design Quest. So basically, Design Quest is a logo design competition, in which you have to design a logo, which will be the official logo of Sanmati Enterprises, and accordingly you will be getting the perks, that is 1,000 rupees cash prize and an internship opportunity at Sanmati Enterprises. So basically, we have received multiple number of logos submission, but I am seeing that it's not looking professional, and somewhat students are not thinking that what should be the logo and like what Sanmati Enterprises do. So this orientation we have conducted only to tell you guys that what Sanmati Enterprises do and like how should be the logo and what should website contain. So yeah, and for the website, we will be the students can submit the website link using GitHub by hosting on GitHub, and to know like how website should look, we have Akashit who will be telling you more about Samata Enterprises and how should website or logo should look. So yeah, over to you, Akashit.
Yeah, thanks, Daksh, for telling this to our participants. So, first, I'll start with what exactly Sanmati Enterprises do. So, Sanmati Enterprises is a manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of every scientific educational equipments that we have, basically for colleges. So, like if you work in any electrical laboratory or computer laboratory or mechanical civil, anything. So we supply all those equipments to these colleges. Other than that, we also deal in pharmaceutical equipments and in other research institutions as well. So we do all of this stuff for the government organizations as well as for the private organizations. We have supplied in more than in 700 plus colleges. So I can tell you all about our product range. It also includes nursing colleges. It also has physics, chemistry, biology, hospitals, everything. So every kind of scientific equipment that you have thought of, like we provide all of them. This was basically a summary of what Sanmati Enterprises does and what we have uh, organized this competition is for, like we want to rebrand our organization and we want to have a digital marketing for us. So for that we need a logo which would like display how a scientific equipment manufacturer company should look like and represent themselves. And other than that, for the website we have an image of like it should be an e-commerce or a website that can display all the equipments on the website. So if any customer is coming on it, he can see that what all things that we are dealing in. I can give you an example as I have thought about it. If you, I know that you all guys would have been to Amazon or Flipkart. So it's like in this hierarchy. Like first they have the categories. In those categories, you can go inside and choose a specific category. And in that specific categories also, you can see the items and you can buy any item that you want. So similarly for us, I have thought about like we deal in very different branches. So you can categorize those things according to the branch, and in those branch we have different items. So we have provided you with different images for those equipments. So I guess Daksh has shared those link with you guys, so you can go through them and you can take help from those things and you can make the website accordingly. So our website is basically to display what we deal in and how our equipments look and what are their specifications. So yeah, this was exactly this is why we organize this competition and would like to give you all participants like an opportunity to work with us.
Yeah,
So
so basically, to explain more on this, I will be sharing a screen now. 1 second. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, Daksh.
Yeah. So basically, you all would have received the message of Webify. So basically, with that, we have attached the rule book, which contains like what Sanmati Enterprises do and like what all pages should the website contains. So basically, yeah, a student work will be to develop a website for Sanmati Enterprises, as we told. Like we want to perform a rebranding of Sanmati Enterprises. So therefore, we are developing a multi-page website. So basically, the website should include at least 4 pages. So you can have at the top navigation system through which like a user can go to multiple pages, that is homepage, about us page, gallery page, or contact us page. So basically, when on the homepage, you can include all the details and like some of the photos which we are dealing in. And basically on the about us page, you can include this all the text for us, like why us, all the content we have provided to you, so that there is no confusion for you. On the contact us page, we have included all the details uh, which you can include in the website. For the video gallery and image gallery, uh, I will be updating the gallery by today end of day. So you can go through the gallery, like what all images we deal, and like what are the products name. After that, like for now, you can have only catalogs page blank, but soon we will be adding that thing too. After that, on the contact us page, you can have links to social media platforms. Currently, we do not have any social media platforms except LinkedIn, but for now, you can just add the logo and add the link to the same website only, so that after we will be launching our social media handles, you can include the same link on that website. Regarding like it should be mobile responsive also, and like and would be for laptop also. You can host your website on GitHub and share the same link on Google Forms. Okay. So timeline is the event has already started. You can submit by 31st December, and the result will be announced on 2nd of January. You can participate in a team of one or two. It depends on you. And basically, for the final submission, you can mail us or fill up the Google form. And the perks for you is you will be getting 4,000 rupees cash reward, which will be processed within 10 days after the declaration of the event. So basically, if you are participating in a team of two, then 4,000 will be divided into two members. And if you are individually participating, the whole 4,000 rupees will be credited in your account. Another perk is that the winning team or a person who is individually participating will be getting a chance to get paid internship at Sanmati Enterprises as a software engineer intern. So basically, you will be going with the website and will be including multiple things in the website afterwards. Coming to the gallery, like for now, I can show you like what all we deal in. I guess my screen is visible of photos. Yeah.
Yes, Daksh.
Yeah, so basically coming to like if we go in civil department and fluid mechanics, so these are some of the equipments we deal in. Like this is windmill. So these are some of the equipments Sanmati prices deal in. So this all gallery I will upload by end of day on Google Drive and add the same link in the rule book. So you can download through that and add the photos in the gallery section on the home page also, and on the gallery section also. So these are some of the photos which you can use. I will like add some of these. So I guess you would have gotten the idea like what type of equipments we deal in, and like this is another wind tunnel. So basically, these are the items which we deal in. Okay, Sanmati prices deal in. So this is all like this is for website, and accordingly for the logo. Like till now we are receiving logos, but in some of the logos like microscope is present on like If someone is drawing SE, then above that a microscope has been put up. So basically, like we not only deal in microscope. Microscope is just a small part of Sanmati Enterprises, which they deal in. So like we try to be more professional rather than having a fancy website. So Akashi, do you want to add something to it?
Yeah, Daksh, like you have said most of the things, but like I would like to add one few things. Like we don't expect you guys to like create the whole website. We just want a layout. We have presented an opportunity of an internship because we want to expand that website. And in that logo, as Daksh has said, yes, we need a professional logo to be presented because like we don't need any childish or kiddish things because like we deal in business to business interactions, not in business to customer interactions. So like it should look professional. Yeah, that's from my side.
Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask your doubts regarding any of the competition if you have. So basically, the deadline for loco competition is till 23rd of December, that is day after tomorrow, midnight. And for website, it is 31st of December.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Could you please explain the requirements of the product page?
Okay, regarding the product page, for now, you don't have to create a product page. Like it should be blank and it should be only in the navigation box, like top navigation box. It should not be containing any data in the product range. We will be including that. Do
I
you
would
want to
like
add
to
something?
add like if you want to present a page, you can add the text in the form of lorem ipsum. Like lorem ipsum is a way of like filling in the text. You don't have to put it, but you can fill out the text. You can create a page. We just want to have a clear layout, a professional layout. We will provide you the text afterwards when you'll come to us for the internship.
All right, thank you
Uh,
so much.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so I had one doubt. Yeah, so it says that the content should be editable. So by editable, you means that we need to have some form of admin page where a person with no technical knowledge can change the content, something like that.
Yeah, like when you will be hosting it on GitHub or like afterwards on GoDaddy. So basically, like when you will be sharing the project with us, the code with us. So basically, you can we will be providing you the content if you will be getting internship. So in that you can change the text accordingly.
I would like
No,
to
so
add.
what I meant was,
Mm.
yeah, please, please.
Yeah, so I was saying like I got your point. Like we don't need the backend right now. Uh, we need the front end basically because we want to see how the layout works to be. So like backend is a second priority for us because we want the layout basically to be how it is.
Okay, fine. Got it. But my actual the question was if you, backend is not the issue that there is fine. But the question was that one way of editing is I go into the HTML templates and I edit the code. And the other way is I create a admin panel. So anyone, for example, if I create the website and give it to you, so for maintenance purpose, you can just log in and change the content via that. So that was what I was asking.
Yeah, so like both the things are fine.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we will be taking questions for the next 5 minutes. If you have, you can ask. Else we can sum up the meeting. And this recording will be available by end of day on YouTube channel. So like if you want to share the same rules and regulation regarding the website and like what Sanmati Enterprises do, you can share that link of the video with your friends so that they can get the idea about the event.
Excuse me. The gallery is supposed to contain the pictures only, right? The gallery page.
Yeah, you can have a gallery page, but what we are actually looking for is like an e-commerce platform, where you can have a category. In category, I can tell you, like we deal in different branches: mechanical, civil, chemical, pharmacy. So like you can put those things in the category. Inside the category, you can have different sections. Sections in the form like mechanical engineering have different laboratories. We have heat transfer, we have thermodynamics. So you can like list out these different laboratories, and inside those laboratories you can have the equipments that we have. So you can put those equipments photos in these things also. So this is a format which we are looking for. And other than that, if you want to create a gallery, there also you can present some photos.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so like it's more sort of a portfolio website rather than having backend. It will be like a presentable website, like a portfolio website of yourself. Like if someone has any doubt, you can ask, else we can sum up the meeting. So thank you, Akashit, for joining and giving us your valuable time. We hope we receive a good response from the students for logo and website, and accordingly, we can have the interns for Sanmati Enterprises. And thank you for sponsoring us. Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks, Daksh. And like I would also like to say that all the best to all these, and yeah, I'm looking forward for their efforts and the submissions. Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining. You may now leave.